Tutankhamun, often referred to as King Tut, ascended to the throne of Egypt around 1332 BCE, at the tender age of 9 or 10. Born to the pharaoh Akhenaten and his sister wife, Tutankhamun's rule would come to symbolize both a return to traditional values and the rich legacy of ancient Egypt. His original name, Tutankhamun, meaning living image of Aten, reflects the religious revolution initiated by Akhenaten, who favored the worship of the sun disk Aten over the traditional pantheon of Egyptian gods. Yet, it was during Tutankhamun's reign that this radical shift was reversed, and the old gods were reinstated. This young pharaoh showed great wisdom and an appreciation for the deeply rooted traditions of his people. Archaeological evidence suggests that Tutankhamun was likely ailing for much of his life. Various theories propose he suffered from genetic conditions, possibly due to the inbreeding common in royal families at that time. His reign, although short, was marked by efforts to restore Egypt to its previous state of grace. He ordered the rebuilding of temples and monuments that had been neglected or defaced during his father's rule. Despite his earnest attempts, King Tut's reign ended prematurely with his death at around 18 or 19 years of age. The exact cause of his death remains a tantalizing mystery, with theories ranging from maladies like malaria to possible foul play. His demise saw a scramble for power, reflecting the significance of his position. However, what sets Tutankhamun apart today is not merely his brief rule, but the astonishing discovery of his nearly intact tomb in 1922 by British archaeologist Howard Carter. Hidden in the Valley of the Kings, his tomb provided an unprecedented glimpse into the opulence and grandeur of ancient Egyptian civilization. The treasures unearthed from his tomb, including a solid gold coffin, intricate jewelry, and the iconic golden death mask, have captivated the imagination of scholars and the public alike. The discovery of the tomb reaffirmed the splendor of a distant epoch, prompting renewed fascination with pharaonic Egypt.